I woke up super duper puffy today because my 2 days workout pani gareko chaina and I've been eating out like crazy. So as is the first thing first, I'm gonna get ready and go to the gym. It's almost 10, so काम लागिसक्यो and it's not that cold. But normally I try to go around 8, but that has not happened in a few weeks. I love when the gym is empty. So done with the workout, and obviously I'm gonna freshen up, maybe get a smoothie and then go get my nails done. It's been long overdue. Also, it's so embarrassing that mom didn't get it done for like 2-3 months. So yeah, it's still got soon. Just which I don't know, probably me to the store. Just a little bit of lipstick and blush so that I don't look thick. So I'm gonna go grab a smoothie from our next smoothie bowl. It's right in the kitchen opposite my, so it just makes it much easier. And this which I'm gonna go to my favorite nail spot, not favorite, the only spot that I go to, AJ Nails, which is also walking distance. Actually, my brow spot, my waxing spot, everything is in this area, which makes it so much easier because I don't have to drive, parking is always a hassle, and I get more steps in. Thank you. That's right there. Coffee takeaway गर्न पर्यो because I'm already late for my appointment, plus मैले खान पनि सकेन. सो दुईवटा अप्सन्स छ, एउटा चाहिँ यो अनि एउटा चाहिँ यो. कुन चाहिँ गरौँ? यो गरौँ कि यो गरौँ?
क्युट हुन्छ होला
है?
भ्यालेन्टाइन
Okay, we're gonna do this one. कस्तो क्युट भयो. Thank you. Literally so cute. Exactly inch बस्दै भएछ. Done with that. कस्तो नै cute भयो. I feel like a pink princess. So I'm gonna go to the store and get some work done. But say I'm at Flow and I'm gonna try and make the hidden message wala candles because Valentine's Day is coming up and we want to launch a special workshop. So messy, tar it's a beautiful mess. I'm obsessed with my nails. Good morning guys, so it's the next day and as I say I'm gonna go and get a haircut. I'm thinking of getting halka sano wala bangs, like not full tara, just a few pieces agadi, and I'm gonna go with Jasmine. So this is what I'm wearing, just with a cute gym set. Ignore the messy room. स्वाद छ ओइ भन मैले सेट गर्न सक्छु होला हैन
राम्रो देखाछ है
हाम्रो हेयर स्टाइल्स खै
कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला हाम्रो कपाल कस्तो देखेको छ भनेर
राम्रो कमेन्ट्स ओन्ली
नेगेटिभ कमेन्ट्स उसले यस्तो हटाइदिन्छ
सबै डिलिट गरिदिन्छ सबै
गरिदिन्छ
So अब चाहिँ I'm gonna go do your favorite thing, which is going to a cute cafe and reading a good book. This is so good. Apple pie with ice cream. यस्तो यस्तो खान्छ एभ्री डे अनि किन मोटायो भनेर बस्ने So I came back home and changed and अब चाहिँ I'm gonna put on मेरो red light therapy mask and maybe give myself a mini facial. Hey, look,